Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UVXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways just to establish some context here. But an extremely impressive movement today. When you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, and since then it's been able to battle back to where it has. I mean, there's still work that needs to be done, don't get me wrong, but overall, very impressive movement. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area right here at $10.65. Why is $10.65 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but let's say that the price were to come down to $10.65, behave in that manner, and then continue on down. What would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it just was. I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine strength are not going to go back to where they were, right? That just doesn't make any sense. Now, to be fair, though, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, in this situation, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, now you have stair steps doing what? Making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make signs, and it's going to make and show signs of progress. And in this situation, the quote-unquote sign of progress being right there at $10.65. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, first big battleground to watch moving forward, going to be right up there at $11.30. You can see going back a couple of days ago, that presented a problem. And then sure, it didn't hit it exactly today, but close enough, and once again presented a problem. So that'll be public enemy number one. And then after that, keep an eye on that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average, currently valid at right around, we'll call it $11.55. But all in all, crazy bounce on this one today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.